Hey folks, so in this video I want to talk very briefly about file management system calls. Now this is going to be super simple. File management is basically, I need to change something or view something, read something on a file on a hard drive, okay? Or hard drive, an SSD, some sort of a device, right, that contains actual files. So these devices typically have some sort of a file system which defines things like files and directories, and that's information about them, right? So who owns something, how large is it, when was it created, and so on and so forth. That's basically all this information over here, right? If I go and view this, right? This is all information my file system has to store as well as the files itself. So, okay, back over here. Typically what we have is some low-level operations. For example, create a file, delete a file, read a file, write a file, reposition, get file attributes, set file attributes. Very, very low-level things. And we're actually going to come back to reposition in the next video. So this is basically, there's some really low-level stuff that you can do. And then also there's going to be some high-level things. So for example, moving a file or copying a file, right? And those are actually implemented from the top, right? So move is implemented as, you got to create a file here, copy it, then delete the original, right? So there's kind of these different tiers of low-level things and then slightly higher-level things. All right, so really that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video in which we'll elaborate a little bit more on that reposition function.